Nanubabo Kabalen, welcome to Earn Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, nandito tayo yun sa Clark and we were invited by
Jungwon Park,
yes,
Korean restaurant.
Ayun, so it's a Korean restaurant and right now we are featuring their set meals.
Yes.
Actually, they have 4 set meals. They prepared for us 3 tables. So imagine guys, these are 3 tables ng iba-ibang sets and this is a newly opened Korean restaurant po. If you wanna know more about this and yung mga food na sinaserve nila, samahan niyo po kami dito.
Let's eat!
Let's go! Guys, although set meal yung pin-prepare nila sa atin dito, meron din naman silang available na mga a la carte spa that you can add on your table, no? Sa kanila itong cookery. And then, ang simple name naman niya is Elephant Shell. So, notice, ito yung sample natin. So, the way you eat it is, let's remove yung parang pinaka-skin niya, this one. Sausawan. Sabi nga yung cameraman ko, the way she explained it earlier, para siyang lasang dagat. Yung texture para siyang more of squid. Alright, so kasama natin si Ma'am Beth upang explain sa atin ano ba yung included dun sa ating set B. Tama po ba?
Yes.
So, ayun, ma'am. So, what do we have on our table, ma'am? Anong nasa table natin?
This one is set B, sir. We have a set together with meat and side dishes. This one is Dejigalbi, samgyeopsal, and spam. And this one is brisket, sir.
Okay. Thin sliced brisket. No?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
and together with marinated chicken, hemul bokumbap, and steamed egg, sir, kimchi jjigae, bulgogi.
Okay. And then the rest of side dishes.
Yes, other side dishes, kimchi, sir, kim, and fish cake. We have a vegetable salad, a pamuchim, and japchae. And together with kimchi pancake.
Kimchi pancake.
Lettuce and some jam. This one is refillable, sir.
Refillable.
Yes, sir. Together this one, all. And this one, not refillable, but if you want, you add another
additional 100 pesos.
Yes.
Okay. So those are only served ones. Now, kung gusto niyo daw po ng refilled, additional 100 pesos lang. Tama po. Alright. Thank you so much, Ma'am Beth.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so ngayon naman guys, kasama natin si Ma'am Abby upang pag-usapan natin yung isa pang set nila na available dito. So Ma'am Abby, ano ba yung nasa table natin ngayon?
Meron po tayong set A dito, sir. Good for 2 to 3 person. Meron po tayong mga meat and mga service, side dishes.
Okay.
This one po is veggie galbi, samgyeopsal, brisket, and sausage. Steamed egg, chicken barbecue. Meron din po tayong japchae, pamuchim, pajon, pancake po, salad, seaweeds, kimchi, and fish cake.
Okay.
Mga side dish po natin is refillable po. Pwede po natin ipa-refill. And this one po, steamed egg is service, on service. But if gusto niyo pa po siyang ipa-refill, additional po na 100.
100 pesos. Alright. Thank you so much, Ma'am Abby.
Samida!
Samida. Wow! Galing talaga ng mga Korean food na mga chicken.
Oo.
Galing ng mga
Sarap
sauce,
siya.
mga lasa. It was really good. Actually, nahanap siya ng kanin. So, lagyan natin ng kanin.
Kanin.
So, yung kinakain mo ngayon, part siya ng mga Chinese
Yes. Chinese
set meal.
dishes.
Okay, so try it.
This one, dinidito siya dito. Sa tingin ko, this one ay parang squid siya sa loob.
Okay, so kasama natin ulit si Ma'am Beth. Actually, ito yung kanilang Chinese set or set B.
Yes, sir.
So, pag-usapan natin, Ma'am, ano ba yung nasa table natin?
This one is Chinese set, sir. We have a seafood jampong, hemul bokumbap, and this one is taksuyuk, gommandu.
Mandu.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. And this one is jjajangmyeon.
Jjajangmyeon.
And
Okay.
this is Uiji Tuwigim.
Okay.
Together with side dishes, pamuchim, vegetable salad, japchae, kimchi, fish cake, and kim. This one side dish is refillable,
Refillable,
sir.
okay.
If you want.
Okay. And confirm ko lang, ma'am, parang dito sa mga mains natin, ma'am, this is choose only from ano yung gusto nila dito,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Either
This
the
one,
jampong
yes,
or
sir.
yung
And jajangmyeon.
jajangmyeon. For how much lang, ma'am?
1-3, sir.
1,300
This set,
pesos.
2 to 3 person.
2 to 3 person for only
Yes.
1,300 pesos.
Yes.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Beth.
안녕하세요.
Nice.
Busog na
Finally,
busog.
few minutes later,
Yes.
and grabe. Ito yung table po namin. Kung mapapansin nyo,
Hindi pa
dinagdag po.
halos-
Hindi na natin halos
Oo.
maubos yung set B, dinagdag pa nila yung kanilang Chinese set naman.
oo.
So,
Thank you so much, Jungwon Park Korean Restaurant, for very generous and helpful ng mga staff.
Yes.
Hindi tayo nahirapan ng shows dahil
actually,
napakabait nila.
So, ayun guys, if you're interested to know more about this, you can check out po yung fan page nila or you can visit the restaurant dito po sa Clark. Address po niya is along Jacinto Street. Sa likod lamang siya nung CDC Parade Ground.
Yes, dito sa Clark Museum, no?
Yes.
Sa likod siya mismo.
Exactly. And they are open from 11 a.m. up until 11 p.m. So, Mami, sulit? Nabusog?
Ay, sulit na sulit. Ang
Thumbs up?
sarap-sarap. Oo.
Thumbs up.
At yung ibang mga Korean dishes ay ngayon lang namin natikman. Kaya napakasarap. Oo.
Alright. So, it's for you to find out too. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one.
Bye!
Bye,
See
guys.
you here!